Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI Teachora, there's something you need to know first. Because this is not just another AI tool, and it's definitely not what most people think it is. In fact, this might completely replace the way online teaching works forever. But here's the real question. Is this actually a hidden opportunity, or just another overhyped product designed to take your money? Watch this before you buy. If you decide to get AI Teachora, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I'm giving away exclusive bonuses that will help you actually turn this into a real income system. Not just theory, real results. What is AI Teachora? AI Teachora is a complete AI teaching system that lets you create human-like AI teachers that can explain topics, teach lessons, answer questions, and even interact with students, all automatically, without you recording anything. You don't need to be an expert, show your face, record videos, or even teach manually. You just enter a topic, and AI builds an entire teaching system for you. Benefits: why people are interested. Now here's why people are getting excited about this. No skills required, beginner-friendly, no camera, no recording, no editing. Works in any niche, education, marketing, fitness, etc. Creates scalable digital assets, includes commercial license, sell to clients, and the biggest advantage? You're not just creating content, you're creating AI teachers that work 24/7 for you. Inside AI Teachora, you're getting AI Teacher Generator, realistic avatars plus voice. AI Teaching Brain, explains any topic automatically. AI Video Generator, creates full teaching videos. Q&A Engine, answers student questions like real teacher. Website Builder, launch your own teaching platform. Monetization system, sell, access, and earn. Multi-teacher system, scale across niches, student dashboard included. Plus, everything is cloud-based, works in just 3 clicks, and commercial license included. This is basically a full teaching business in one dashboard. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep it real. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly, no content creation stress, fully automated system, scalable income potential, and one-time price during launch. Cons: you still need traffic to make money, results depend on your niche and effort. And not instant success, you must use it properly, so don't expect magic, but as a system, it's powerful. Results: what to expect. You can use this to build Faceless YouTube channels, sell AI teachers to clients, $100 to $500 each, create paid learning platforms, and generate content for social media. Some users report earning daily income. But let's be clear, this is a business tool and not a get-rich-quick shortcut. Your results depend on how you use it. Now here's where things get interesting. If you grab AI Teachora through my link, you'll also get these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: AI Teaching Business Launch Kit, worth $497 value. This shows you exactly how to pick profitable teaching niches, set up your AI teacher system, and start getting your first students. Perfect for beginners who don't know where to start. Bonus 2: Traffic and Monetization Blueprint, $997 value, because let's be honest, traffic equals money. This bonus shows you how to get free traffic from YouTube and TikTok, how to convert viewers into paying students, and how to scale your AI teaching system. These bonuses are designed to actually help you make money, not just use the tool. So, is AI Teachora worth it? If you want to build a faceless teaching business, automate content creation, and create scalable digital income, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially at this one-time launch price and with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're serious about this, click the link in the description, lock in your access, and grab my bonuses before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.